What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I will be doing about I'm telling you about my yo-yos. So this is line blue and white string. This is golden dragon. I don't know where did I put my dragon. It has orange and it also has hubstack. It has orange string, and this is lime. It has white string. So let's get started. First we're gonna do lime green. So I'm gonna do a trick using lime green, but it's a bind because this is unresponsive. So let's go. Put it at the front and then bam. One more. Guys, it will not work if it's cricket. So let's do it. Not that. There we go. Not cricket. Next, we're gonna go to my golden dragon. Oops, sorry guys. Let it fall. Sorry. Sorry, I will make it faster. So this has hubstack, so you can do a DNA, but it's unresponsive, so we can do fast forward. Sleeper. Fast forward. Next, we're gonna go to my line blue. Line blue. So I'll do DNA with this.